Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Laravel version, PHP, and Composer dependencies. Once done, install or verify Guzzle and prefer the HTTP facade for clarity. Make sure to add API base URL and API KEY2. So credentials never go in code. Next, create a dedicated service class or controller method to house requests. This keeps routes clean. You'll also set up config/services, PHP entries for the API so you can reference them via config services. MyAPI for consistent. Once configured, implement request logic inside your service. You'll use HTTP with headers authorization equals bearer $token, then get or post endpoints. This abstracts auth. Make sure to choose correct auth style, bearer tokens, basic or query keys, and rotate tokens securely. Parse responses with status and JSON and check successful before processing. If paginated, loop with provided next links. Also add retries and timeouts via timeout. 10 retry, 3 100 to handle transient failures gracefully. Finish by mapping API data into eloquent models or dispatch queue jobs for heavy processing. This keeps web requests fast. Once done, cache tokens safely and use config cache only after updating. Env. Add logging around requests and consider telescope or logging channels to inspect headers and payloads. If something breaks, check cores, run PHP artisan config, clear and PHP artisan cache, clear, confirm env variables loaded, and verify header spelling. Most failures are simple typos or wrong base URLs. You'll be back online quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.